Today, we're diving into something that's been making waves across books, social media, and even movies: the law of attraction. Ever wondered if you can really think your way to success, love, or even that dream vacation? Is it magic, science, or just positive thinking on steroids? We're breaking it all down today, so grab a seat and let's explore. Before we get into the good stuff, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried manifesting something in your life and how it went. All right, let's go. What is the law of attraction? All right, let's start with the basics. The law of attraction is this idea that whatever you focus on, whether it's positive or negative, can manifest into your life. Think of it as a cosmic magnet, like attracts like. If you're constantly thinking about how successful you want to be, the universe supposedly aligns to make that happen. But if you're stuck in a loop of negative thoughts, yep, you guessed it, that's what you'll get more of. It's all based on energy. Your thoughts, feelings, and emotions emit a kind of vibrational frequency, and the universe responds to it. Whether you believe in spirituality or not, this idea has hooked millions of people, and for some, it seems to work. The origins of this idea. The law of attraction isn't some TikTok trend that popped up overnight. It's rooted in history. The concept can be traced back to the 19th century New Thought movement. Thinkers like Phineas Quimby and later authors like Wallace Wattles and Napoleon Hill brought the idea into mainstream consciousness. For example, Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, is basically the Bible of success manifesting. He emphasizes that having a clear vision and belief in your goals is key to achieving them. Some say this concept goes even further back, with ties to ancient philosophies and even religious teachings. How does it supposedly work? The law of attraction works in 3 main steps. Ask, you have to be crystal clear about what you want. Ambiguity won't cut it. Whether it's wealth, love, or health, be specific. Believe. This is the tricky part. You need to convince yourself that what you want is already yours. Imagine it, feel it, live as if it's already happened. Receive. Stay open to opportunities. Sometimes the universe delivers in ways you don't expect. It's like placing an order at a restaurant. You don't keep asking the waiter if they're making your food. You trust it'll come. That's the vibe here. Visualization and affirmations. One of the most popular tools in the Law of Attraction toolkit is visualization. This involves closing your eyes and vividly imagining your goals as if they've already been achieved. The more sensory details you can add, like smells, sounds, and emotions, the better. Then there are affirmations. Short, powerful statements you repeat daily to reprogram your mindset. For example, instead of saying, "I'll be successful one day," you say, "I am successful right now." The goal is to create a shift in your subconscious so it aligns with your desires. Critiques and skepticism. Now here's where things get controversial. Critics argue that the law of attraction oversimplifies life. They say it can lead to toxic positivity. The idea that if something bad happens to you, it's your fault for not thinking positively enough. Another issue is the lack of scientific evidence. Sure, positive thinking can boost motivation and mood, but there's no concrete proof that thinking alone can manipulate reality. Skeptics believe that any success people attribute to the law of attraction is actually a result of hard work and focus, not some mystical force. The science or lack thereof. While there's no direct scientific proof that the law of attraction works as advertised, there is some science behind the benefits of positive thinking. When you focus on your goals, your brain's reticular activating system filters out distractions and makes you more aware of opportunities. For instance, if you're constantly thinking about buying a red car, you'll suddenly notice red cars everywhere. That's your brain at work, not magic. Similarly, having a positive mindset can motivate you to take actions that align with your desires, which increases your chances of success. Real-life stories. You've probably heard countless stories of people who claim to have manifested their dream lives. For example, Jim Carrey famously wrote himself a $10 million check when he was a struggling actor, visualizing success every day. A few years later, he landed a role in Dumb and Dumber that earned him exactly that amount. Another example is Oprah Winfrey, who has spoken openly about using the law of attraction to shape her career and personal life. While these stories are inspiring, keep in mind that these individuals also worked incredibly hard to achieve their goals. Practical tips if you want to try it. So if you're curious and want to give the law of attraction a go, here are some tips. 1. Set clear goals. Write down exactly what you want and be specific. 2. Create a vision board. Fill it with images, words, and quotes that represent your goals. 3. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you already have to attract more abundance. 4. Take action. Remember, thinking alone won't get you anywhere. You need to back it up with effort. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, the law of attraction is less about magic and more about mindset. Whether or not you believe in it, focusing on your goals and maintaining a positive attitude can't hurt. But remember, no amount of positive thinking can replace action and effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the law of attraction works, or is it just a placebo? Catch you next time.